You gonna open it?
How did it open?
Here, let me see. Let's see. Whoa, careful. What is it? Little cookies, I think. Let's see. Look, it's a glow-in-the-dark bracelet. Let's see. Let me see. My big book, my big barefoot book of wonderful words. Cool.
Does it have stickers?
Maybe. Oh, let's see what else is. Oh, just memberships. Cool. What do you tell Natalie?
Thank you, Natalie.